Hello everybody, my name is Alex. I'm with NDGS Paleontology and I'm going to show you how to do your fossil prep kit. You should have your specimen, your brush, and your pick with a chisel tip, slightly pointed tip. I'm going to use the chisel tip today. Let's get started. So I want you to use a driving motion. You're going to move this forward to slowly scrape off that sediment. Just like this. I don't want you to scrape and pry towards your face because you don't want sand in your eyes. So don't flick it upwards. Instead, stay using a forward motion. If there's a lot of loose sand in your way, you can use a brush. Brush that off. And then continue, continue that driving motion. Very good. So now that the specimen's almost fully exposed, we can finish removing it from the matrix. That sediment is almost ready to let this go. I'm going to brush that off. I'm going to do a little more scraping. Oh, there it is. And there's my dinosaur. Looks like a duck-billed dinosaur of some kind. Maybe it's like Dakota. You can take your tool and get the rest of that dirt off. Now this last part's really important. We made a bit of a mess. So it's really important that we clean all of this up. I'm going to throw this dirt away and then I'm going to wash my hands really good, okay? So make sure you clean up your mess and you clean up your hands when you're done. And that's it for the prep kit. Once again, make sure you clean up your mess with your hands. I hope you had fun today, and we'll hopefully be doing more of these as time goes on. Take care.